Okay, this video is on creating keyframes, okay? So I've got my video down in my timeline. I want to click on it to highlight it. And once I do that, right over here, I'm on video. I want to make sure I'm on free view, okay? Making sure you're on free view. I'm going to go to dewarping so it looks flat. That's the way I like it. Down in here, you've got your keyframe right in here, that little plus sign. Here, you're going to split your clip. You're going to split your clip to the left, and everything to the left disappears. Split your clip to the right, everything to the right disappears, and your keyframe. I'm going to lock in the keyframe. This is the view I want right now at this point in time on my timeline. So click on the keyframe. It adds a keyframe right there. I'm going to hit play. And I'm going to come around, and once I want to change the view, I'm going to stop my video. I'm going to put the video where I want it to look and create a keyframe. Okay, and then I'm going to do one more real quick and create a keyframe. I just want to show you this. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. Here I am. I'm facing the bridge, and then I start to swing around. Gets to the next keyframe. Let me zoom in. It gets to the next keyframe here, starts to turn, and then it gets to the next keyframe, and now I'm facing the direction I want to. Here, I want to create another keyframe. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to create a keyframe and bring it around. Create another keyframe right here, maybe up a little bit. Create that keyframe. Come here. Create another keyframe because I want to look at the bridge as I go through it. Here, I'm going to create a keyframe, and notice I'm just adding keyframes, okay, till I get it the way I want to. If I don't like a keyframe somewhere, I can delete it. Okay, it's easy to do, but we're going to play this real quick. I'm going to show you how to delete in a second. So let's go to the very beginning, and let's watch this. So here we go. And notice as it gets to the keyframes, it changes its view on where I wanted it to look. Okay, so there we go. We fly through the bridge. Okay, say I didn't like this keyframe right here. I can click on it and just hit the delete key, and it deletes it. Okay, and now there's no keyframe there. It's going to change. It's going to stay from here, from this view, and then slowly get to this view here. Okay, say I went and I did one too fast. Okay, so I'm going to come down the road here, and I create a keyframe, and I want to go here and create another keyframe. So right here, these keyframes are close together. So when I watch this, it's going to go here, it's going to zip over there, and I don't like that. I don't want that to look that. I can change the length of the keyframe by clicking on it and just dragging it. So now there's more space in here. There's more video in the area here. So I'm going to play this back, and notice how slow it goes now. Here, and it's slowly going to pan over there. Okay, so that's one way to stretch it. You could easily also just delete that keyframe and then create another one. So if they were too close together, so we're going to come in here, and I'm going to create a keyframe, and I'm going to say here, and we watch that. And here, and it zips over there, and I don't like that. I can just delete this keyframe and then create it wherever I want to later on. So that's how you create keyframes. Hopefully that helped.